Let's cook a refreshing and nourishing dish that you can enjoy on a hot day, Colourful Cold Soba. I'm Su Mei, a Senior Dietitian at NHG Polyclinics. Today's dish is going to be Colourful Cold Soba. Our recipes in this series are taken from our I Can't Believe It Tastes So Good cookbook, which has more recipes for you to discover. Scan the QR code now for more recipes. This Colourful Cold Soba is quick to prepare, just 15 minutes from start to finish, and it serves 4. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. 250 grams of soba noodles, 2 cans of tuna, today we're using tuna in water, and a mix of colourful vegetables. So today we have 3 different colours of capsicums, 2 Japanese cucumber, 3 tomato, and 1.5 cup of shredded lettuce. For dressing, we'll be using rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, a bit of sugar or honey, and some black pepper and mixed Italian herbs. First, we're going to boil the soba noodles. Follow the package instruction and cook them until they are al dente. While waiting for the soba noodles to cook, we'll drain the tuna. So tuna is a very convenient and affordable protein source. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart and brain. Now, a lot of people think that all canned foods are unhealthy or full of preservatives, but that's not always true. In fact, all canned fishes like tuna, sardines, and salmon can be very nutritious. They are packed with nutrients such as protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins like B12 and vitamin D. Now, the trick is knowing what to choose. For example, you can choose canned tuna in water or olive oil with a healthier choice in both, or pick options with lower sodium. So this dish is also perfect for meal prep. It saves time, it keeps well in the fridge, and makes healthy eating easier. They keep well in the fridge for up to 2 days. Once the noodles are cooked, we're going to drain them. Put them in a bowl. Cover and keep in the fridge. Next, let's prepare our dressing. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. We're using reduced salt soy sauce here, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. The use of sesame oil not only adds fragrance but also provides healthy fats that are good for your heart. 1 teaspoon of sugar, you may also use honey, and a pinch of ground black pepper and mixed Italian herbs. Give it a mix. This dressing is simple and flavorful. You can also customize the dressing like adding a squeeze of lime if you like it more tangy, or some chili flakes if you like it spicy. You can even add a spoonful of peanut butter for some creaminess. Now we are going to take out the noodles from the fridge. Grab a mixing bowl. Toss in the soba noodles, followed by some tuna, and all those fresh crunchy vegetables. Pour over the dressing and give everything a good mix. Now put them on a plate. Our Colourful Cold Soba is ready. This is a great example of how a healthy dish can be quick, simple, and satisfying.